Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis over the weekend and want to get things updated. I will note it's a relatively tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought somewhere up around here and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, well then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. From the highs, there was a pullback today. But from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as there's higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type perspective going into it. And the reason why I still say everything's totally bullish even after the pullback today is because of this level down here right around $14.50. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for example's sake and to help me kind of illustrate the point here that I'm trying to get across, let's say the price continues to fall downwards and gets to, right around the $14.50 mark, and then after that, price essentially kind of goes sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well then from the big picture perspective, you still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And, overall, the 1450 point would be a great sign of progress. So sure, remember, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here, then yeah, you don't care about these levels that I'm talking about. But that's why I tried to offer up a warning that I would be talking about things from a bigger picture type viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word for a second. Today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.